says it in different languages. I'm not sure what it's saying. Not sure if this is a restricted zone or not. So we're approaching, making a slow approach here. Look at all the notices here that say no trespass. Oh, what the heck? Border Patrol guards. Look at this. I don't know what way we're supposed to go. This way or this way. Look at this. Pretty creepy stuff. It does say no trespassing, so I'm not sure. But this is just too cool. I don't even know if there's anybody even in here. Yep, this looks like a very dangerous. Look at all the caution signs over here. Look at this. Yeah, it looks like some alligators took bites out of these. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the alligator. Look at all the movement and activity going on in there. Pretty wild stuff. Yeah, so this is to separate the watercraft from the alligators and the crocodiles.